create a YouTube video about this site using AI, but do it without writing a single word ourselves, basically. We're gonna use Poppy AI, which I can build out my script without doing anything. We're gonna make it about this site, which is the best way to find TikTok Shop products that are trending. These are all trending TikTok Shop videos that have the most sales and the most views, basically. So we're gonna take this site, copy and paste it into Poppy. This is like a very visual way to make your scripts, because you can just copy in the site, and now it lives on this like chalkboard right here. So it has the site here, and then we can open up a chat. So this uses ChatGPT, this uses Claude, this uses whatever you want. So it's basically a very huge workflow. You can make it go to ChatGPT 4 mini, Grok 2, so we're gonna make it use Claude 3.7. And this is a way for ChatGPT this is a way for AI to be a lot more visual. So when you're feeding it information, you don't have to just feed it text. You can feed it sites, you can feed it videos, you can feed it everything. So we're gonna do how to storytell on YouTube and look it up. Callaway is really good at making YouTube videos and storytelling. So we're gonna copy his video here on how to storytell, and we're gonna bring it into the AI to teach it how to make basically better YouTube videos. Try that over here. Now you can group stuff by making a folder over here. So we're gonna group this together and being like how to make better content, or we'll do better YouTube videos. So at least the AI know these are all ways for the AI to make better YouTube videos. You can just drag this into this content, and now this is all grouped together. So we're gonna add some more in there. We're gonna add another way to make hooks, or maybe add another YouTube video in here. This one's also really good of storytelling. So we'll copy this into here as well. Add that in. We're gonna copy another one as well. We'll copy this one. Let's see what else this gives us. We're gonna just bring this into here as well. We're not gonna watch these videos. I mean, it'd be better if you, I think, know the information is really good in the videos. You also could just ask it to explain. So we're gonna link these videos up to the chat. So now it's pulling all the data from these videos into the chat, and it's understanding what these videos are about. So we could quickly ask it, do you have enough information how to create a viral YouTube video to keep the viewers' attention? You can just ask the chat, and it's pulling the data over here, and now it's telling us how to create viral YouTube to keep attention, master art of storytelling, structure as a dance between context and conflict, use but, therefore, instead, then to create open loops, create rhythm in your delivery, use conversational tone, plan your, basically, yeah, it gives you a good idea of how to make a YouTube video. This video you're watching right now is not scripted by AI. This is just a whole workflow, and that's what I like to do. But sometimes people really like to make this type of content, so it's good to have that. Callaway to how to create hooks. We're gonna copy this as well and bring it in, because he's really good at making content, honestly. Oh, this video is really good as well. How to create a killer script that keeps the viewers hooked. We're gonna take that, and we're gonna bring that in as well. All right, I think that's enough for that, for the information of how to make a good script. Now we're gonna link over our site, Daily Virals. We don't have a video about the Daily Virals as it's so new, and this is what I wanted to test, is this site has like almost no searches on YouTube. So we wanna create a video about it, but we don't have any information really about it, if that makes sense. Based on my knowledge, I don't have a complete information about Daily Virals site to create a complete YouTube script. The information available is quite limited, showing the site Daily Virals tagline appears to show the top 100 videos. So it is reading the site and does know what it is making about, but we don't have that much. What I'm missing, the site's purpose and main functions. So first of all, I did create some TikTok content about it. So we're gonna bring that in about it. So we're gonna group this together. Type group, go up here, the Daily Viral. Well, first of all, we're gonna get rid of this. Drag this in here, bring in the TikTok I made, drag that in there, ChatGPT or any other ones where you have to like basically download the script of the videos or the text of the site and give it to it, because sometimes it's really bad at reading the internet. You can just give it the site, copy and paste it in here. You can put in whole YouTube videos. You can give it audio cues. You can give it photos, and it understands it all. So it's really helpful. TikToks I made, so I am having to feed it data, as the site is not really built out that much with like a ton of text on it. So the AI really has nothing to read. So that's kind of hard for it to make enough information about it. But this is the whole challenge of the video, is can it create content off of not that much context, basically. So I made a couple TikToks about it. We're gonna bring those in here as we have no more data to give it. Now we're gonna test this YouTube video and create it and then see what the retention time of it is. With all the information I gave you about how to create high retention YouTube videos, create a YouTube video about daily viral showing new users wanting to know more about it. There's spelling errors in there. It doesn't really matter. The AI knows what I'm talking about. And let's see what the script is. It doesn't really tell how long the script needs to be. So, I mean, you could do that as well. Let's see what we got here. You also can make the chat bigger instantly by typing this. So we're going to do that. And it kind of looks like a normal chat bot now. But it's very like interactive of a flow in and out of the chat, which is really nice. On screen, this site will save you 100+ hours of research. Hey creators, I'm going to show you the tool that completely changed the game for TikTok Shop sellers. If you've been struggling to find winning products or spend hours of research, this is the next 5 months to save you literally hundreds of hours of work. It's kind of true. It's not really a seller, it's for the affiliates too, so I don't really know if that's technically correct, but this is the data I fed it. Did you apply the information how to create better YouTube videos? Thus, of like, how did it apply the data that I gave it over here about all the viral scripts? What I did: create strong hook, use context, conflict dance by going back and forth, introduce visual hooks, structured content with clear sections, making it easy to follow, focused on popular area of interest, TikTok Shop success. It's true. Include real examples. Those are all great. What I missed: no, but therefore I didn't create enough tension or curiosity. It told you what I didn't, what it didn't do, and now it's going back and fixing itself. So you can always ask it questions basically to improve it, to make sure it double checks. Now let's see what it came up with. This site is changing viral products. TikTok Shop sellers are making $1,000 finding trending products before everyone else. Difference. Let's change it to TikTok Shop affiliates, because it thinks it's just TikTok Shop sellers, and it's not. This is looking very similar. Show side-by-side comparison of multiple successful scripts, which I have the data for that. You also could feed it information on your brand voice and how you talk. I kind of did that because these are my videos, but you could add even like more data of adding like 120 videos of your social media videos or YouTube videos, and then say use my, like the way I talk, and make sure you put it into the script. But I'm not too worried about that, as this is pretty informational. I don't really need my personality through it. I just need to get the information out to the people. So let's test this script, and I'll come back with that data once I film the video here and post it up.